How to recover LinkedIn temporarily restricted account. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. If your account has been restricted temporarily, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Verify Your Identity. In here, you'll find Learn More about Identity Verification. In here, you may find how to recover it as you need verification result, your government ID, or simply open LinkedIn with your mobile and then scan with this scanner. After you scan it, you can follow the steps on your mobile device as you will be needing government ID verification with your profile picture. After you've done that, your problem will be fixed. This is how to recover LinkedIn temporarily restricted account. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. For more about question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.